guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's TRICE Nicole and this is Will Work for Heels TV, the lifestyle of me, a teacher, a foodie, and a lifestyle content creator. So y'all, January was insanely busy for me. The beginning of February was crazy too, but I have gotten a few things out of the way and now I can get back to doing refocusing on the things that I love, like my content creation. So I do have a few things lined up for this spring and the end of winter. My birthday's in the spring, and then summer break will be here soon. So I'm really excited because I have a lot of fun things coming up. But this is gonna be a really short vlog. Don't have really much going on. Couple of foodie things, and that'll be it. But here we go. Hey guys, so school just ended and I have been waiting all afternoon to get on my camera to show you guys my new toy. So I was gifted this new instructional tool for my classroom, and it is quite the gift. It is quite the gift. I'm so stoked. I'm like nerding out over here. But it's called an anatomage table. And for those of you who don't know, I teach anatomy and physiology, and I'm the lead instructor over the medical program at our school. And this is like the best instructional tool. The kids loved it. I love it. I have to go to a training, but I'm just going to show you a few things that I've seen just playing around on it today. And it's so cool. Okay, hold on. Okay, so here it is. It's called an anatomage table, and we can stand it up like such or lay it down like an actual table. But since I was teaching from it today, I just had it standing up. But it's so cool. Let's see. So, oh, hold on. So you open it up and you have all of the different body systems. And let's see, today we were talking about heart rates. And so it's completely digital. It's so cool, y'all. Hold on. I'm so excited. My kids are laughing at me today because I'm like, this is the coolest thing ever. But you can see the heart. So the students had to find their resting heart rates today. And, you know, well, you may or may not know, our normal resting heart rate is between 60 and 100 beats per minute. And so I had the students find their resting heart rate, and they were giving me what they came up with. And I was just able to show them, like, okay, if your resting heart rate was 102, this is how fast your heart is beating right now. If it was, let's say, 78, it's beating like this. And so it's just really cool. You can move it, turn it. You can add like tissue and fat, and it's just the coolest thing. I cannot wait to go to the training to learn more about it. It's just so cool. I get so excited about this kind of stuff, but it is the neatest instructional tool. The kids got a kick out of it. It's so great. But yeah, I can't wait to play around with it some more and learn about all the different things that we can do with it. So yeah, they even have like cadaver. It's crazy, cadavers. But yeah, just wanted to share this with you guys because, you know, Will Work for Heels TV is the lifestyle of me, a teacher, a foodie, and a lifestyle content creator. But enough of that, and I will catch you guys up a little bit later. Toodles. I need to get these nails done too. Oof, child. All right, bye. So Juice Tap is the cutest little place to come and get smoothies or acai bowls or like fresh pressed juice. There's a few locations here in town. The one I'm at is the one on Gate Parkway. It's so cute. And they have really good stuff in here. Hey guys, so I am so excited because HomeGoods, they just opened a HomeGoods closer to my home than the HomeGoods that I frequent. So again, this is how you know that you are of a certain age, when you get excited about furniture and household things and your living space. But I'm getting ready to go check out HomeGoods because they just opened up this particular HomeGoods where there used to be a Bed Bath & Beyond. And Bed Bath & Beyond was big from what I remember. So I don't know if I've ever been in a HomeGoods the size of a Bed Bath & Beyond. So this should be good. I'm gonna go check it out, and then when I get home, I'm gonna make me some curry smothered chicken. And my god baby's coming over to spend the night with me, so that's gonna be fun.
I will now attach your leash to this large. Every time Mrs. Two Shoes rings this bell, you will bring her a delicious tray of treats no matter where she is in the house.
Hey guys, so I am in the mood for a good burger. I don't eat burgers very often, but I have really been having a taste for one, and so I'm gonna go get me one. I'm in Riverside right now, and if you're in Jacksonville, you know that Carolina Jack's has the best hamburgers. They've won several awards because they're that good. So I'm gonna go get me one. I haven't had one in a couple of years. So hopefully they're still living up to the hype because they are super good. So about to go get me one right now, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me. You know, one thing that I have never been able to do is make it home without eating a fry. A fry's gonna get eaten. Maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 fries. The fries gonna get eaten before I get home.
You all will have the opportunity to fall in
Y'all,
love.
this burger
based
is
solely on
huge.
who you are on the inside.
If you fall in
Gotta
love
find
and
perfect
find somebody
bites.
that you want to spend the rest
Y'all, I'm
of
watching
your life
Love
with,
is Blind.
you'll get engaged and then you meet your fiance.
I hope I can stick
for
with
the
it this
very
time.
first
Last
time.
season,
When you slow motion
I
run
couldn't get
close
into it.
together.
Anyways, here we go.
Not easy, girl.
And guys, in just 4 weeks, you'll be at your wedding. And there you have to make the most important decision.
Girl, this guy is weird. I'm sorry.
On his own, like, natural way. He's like flourishing, like, before my eyes.
No, I don't know about this Matthew guy. I really don't know about him.
Like, I hope whoever's talking to Matthew's being fucking
Together.
nice.
I don't know. But I think that it's great that she was able to
Because
get him out of the show.
I'm just now like
because he was being
You
very
feel
awkward.
protected?
a little
at the beginning.
bit,
Yeah?
yeah.
I'm
Hey guys, so I am gonna end the vlog here. I told you I didn't really have much going on this week, but just wanted to give y'all a little something. This past weekend the weather was trash. But yeah, I'm having an interesting day. And I just wanted to say, like, when you go out for something and it doesn't work out in your favor, not to give up. If it's something that you truly, truly desire. Like, I started off the year really great with really great things that were in store for me. And a couple of those things didn't work out for me, but it doesn't dampen my spirit. It doesn't put me in a bad place. It just lets me know that I have to work harder for the things. What I was saying, it just lets me know that I have to work harder for the things that I want. And that's okay. Really great things do not come easy. And I've learned that throughout my life thus far. Really amazing things don't always come easy. And it takes work. It takes work to achieve the things that you really want. Even this content creation journey that I'm on with YouTube, and even on Instagram. I've been doing Instagram for years, and I'm still not where I want to be. I just started my YouTube journey last spring. It'll be a year in May, I believe. And I'm nowhere close to where I want to be. But when you enjoy the things that you're doing, and if it's something that you truly want, you don't give up. You keep on going. And so I'm saying all that to say, but I said all that to say, don't give up on your dreams, y'all. And don't share your dreams with everyone either. I know social media can be really easy to have diarrhea at the mouth and just tell everybody everything that's going on with your life. I share a lot, but the average Joe doesn't know half of the things that are going on in my life. But, you know, some things need to be kept close to your heart because some people don't have good intentions for you. I've seen that with social media. You know, people that you think have your back or are rooting for you and are secretly not. But yeah, you know, just be mindful. But I don't know why I got off on this tangent. I guess it was just on my heart. But yeah, be encouraged, guys. Go after the things that you want and never give up on your dreams. Anyways, thank you so much for watching if you've made it all the way through this really short vlog. And I do have a few things going on this week, so I will be posting more in the next vlog. But if you liked something that you saw, please consider liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing, giving me a thumbs up. I think thumbs up let you see, or let other people see your content. And yeah, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And for the 132 of y'all who are rocking with me, I appreciate you. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. So I will keep creating if just for you. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Toodles.